visual condition report, so we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find, and really just assess the overall condition of the vehicle. Now, before I get started on this car, this thing is a 9.9 out of 10. This is one of the cleanest examples we've ever seen. So if this is one you are interested in, I would not skip a beat and get this one quick. Looking at the wheels, zero curb rash. They look absolutely perfect. Here on the fender, no PPF on this car. Fender looks amazing, no rock chips, no scuffs. All of that's clean. Looking at the mirror, looks amazing. Super gloss black here. No flaws on the roof anywhere. Looks really good. Going down that door edge, nice and clean. Lower rockers look awesome. Now right here, if you feel, there's a couple little rock impacts. Very subtle though. The rest of that looks good. I don't see any issues there. That's a common area. Quarter panel looks good. Once again, no curb rash on that wheel. Get down low on that splitter. You're gonna see some very light scuffs on the very underside of it. You gotta get, like I am, an inch off the ground, and even then you can barely see anything. Looking at the front, you gotta pick apart anything. A little spot there. Otherwise, it looks amazing. You can just see the depth of the paint. There's really nothing to pick apart on that front end. Hood looks good. Vinyl stripes. I got that metallic in them. It's really, really good. All of that looks good. No curb rash on the wheel. Even down to the barrel, looks awesome in there. Side mirror's perfect. A-pillar looks good. No flaws up there. That door edge is perfect. Lower rocker looks good. Feeling on that. Honestly, I don't feel any bumps. I don't feel any rock impacts. The rest of that quarter panel looks good. Zero curb rash on that wheel. Like I said, this is this is showroom condition, near perfect. You got the Corsa exhaust, the mufflers, black tips. Perfect. All right, checking out the interior. It is absolutely perfect. Smells brand new in here. Still have all that matte finish. All of that looks good. No scuffs. Even looking at that trim, I see one tiny scuff right there. Everything else looks good. No wrinkles on that bolster. Heck, I don't see any flaws right there either. Looks really, really good. Here on the steering wheel, you have that matte finish to it. That looks good. Heads-up display. It looks like they put a cover over here. That looks good. Buttons look nice. Shifter's clean. All of that looks brand new. Looking at this door panel, has all that matte finish. Looks brand new. Get up close. See all the details. I don't see any scuff scratches. Nothing. And look at this trim once again. Looks amazing. Carpets are perfect. I don't see anywhere on that bolster or that seat. I don't see any scuffs here. Has that matte finish. It smells perfect over here, brand new. There's nothing to pick apart. All right, checking out the trunk. This is absolutely perfect. Got the stripes in the carpet, original window sticker. All of this looks good. We'll have pictures of this as well. You can pause that and read the options. Here on the underside, no flaws there. Looks good. All the jams, nice and clean. And then checking out the engine bay, looks brand new, super clean. All of this looks so good.